This is what can happen in a busy kitchen if small hazards are ignored. Two fast food workers in the kitchen. One is about to lift a basket of golden fries from the deep fryer. As the worker lifts the fryer basket, flames erupt from the oil. Both workers look surprised and a bit confused. One of the workers frantically throws water, causing a dangerous flare-up. The fire is now much larger, spreading rapidly up the wall and around the fryer. The two workers are shown retreating and evacuating the area. Let's see how this fire started. The oil was very hot, then water was thrown onto it. The water instantly turned to steam and exploded, blasting burning oil into the air. The oil caught fire and the flames spread quickly. This accident could have been avoided. Now, let's look at how you can stay safe. Fires like this can be prevented with the right control measures. First, keep equipment and vents clean. Grease acts like fuel, so removing it through regular deep cleaning of stoves, fryers, ovens, and exhaust hoods greatly reduces fire risk. Second, install a fire suppression system above cooking areas. If flames appear, it activates quickly and stops the fire from spreading. Third, check oil temperature before cooking. Overheated oil can ignite in seconds. Using a thermometer helps keep frying safe. Fourth, keep an ABC fire extinguisher within reach. It is versatile for most fire types and provides a fast way to control a blaze. We can go even further by making improvements to strengthen safety. Train your team with regular fire safety sessions. When everyone knows how to react and where safety equipment is, response becomes quicker and calmer. Do quick pre-shift safety checks by inspecting cooking stations, exits, and extinguishers to make sure everything is safe before service starts. And always be prepared for emergencies. Keep evacuation routes clear, display escape plans, and make sure first aid kits are fully stocked and easy to access. Clean, control, check, and prepare. Following these steps keeps your kitchen safe. Small hazards grow fast in a busy kitchen. Control the risks, practice the response, and keep everyone safe. Prevent fires today. Don't wait for the next one. Remember, most kitchen fires can be prevented. Stay alert when cooking, follow safety procedures, and keep fire equipment ready to use. Your actions can stop a small hazard from becoming a disaster.